What's going on? Good morning, guys. My name is Marcel Flores and welcome to my channel, One Dapper Street. Welcome to my first video in 2018. Kinda worked. As you can see, I'm kinda getting ready for some outdoor fitness action. I am currently in New York City and... Sorry, shook the whole camera. I'm currently in New York City and it's currently negative 9 degrees Celsius, like 19 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm about to go outside. Why am I going outside? I'm not entirely sure. It's probably gonna be a little bit cold, but over the break, I was home in Germany for a week and I went to visit a doctor and he did like a blood test on me to just see where I'm at health-wise. And it turns out that I was actually pretty close to a burnout because I was working so much and like stressed most of the time, not taking time to meditate, not taking time to go running, to go working out. So I want to fix that. I didn't make a resolution because my resolution is more focused around the whole gentleman thing this year. If you don't know what I'm talking about, you can go check out the video right now. I'm going to put the thing there, right there. Right. Yeah. So no resolution, but just woke up and felt like going outside today. If you're wondering what happened to my eye, first of all, it's super creepy, I know, sorry. I just played around with my guts on ice skating and just popped a vessel, so it's nothing bad, it just looks a lot worse than what it actually is. But enough about my eye. I'm outside right now and I want to show you, I want to try and stay fit in this cold. I gotta start running, it's getting too cold. Okay guys, woo. So the way this works for me, so I run here, I do one sprint on the way along the waterfront as you just saw, then I do my workout right here, and I do 2 more laps on the waterfront. That means 2 more 1.5 mile jogs with 1 sprint. I come here in between and I work out. I'm gonna show you what I do here and then just tell you when I repeat it and how that's going. Now, this used to be my routine. I did like 3 times a week. Hasn't been that. That's why I almost fell while I did my ab exercises. But I'm gonna do another round with a sprint, another workout. And once again. And that's it. And now I jog back home, get back into the warmth. Okay, back at home, finishing up with a protein shake. My protein's something my mom gave me from Germany, so if you don't know what Eiweiß means, it's just egg whites of protein. This workout, as I told you guys, I did it for a while and I haven't done it in a while, but I really like it because it combines aerobic and anaerobic exercise, which I personally like. It's a whole body workout with legs, upper body, obviously front and back. For me, it makes the most sense to rest my muscles in between sets while still staying active. I don't know if that makes any sense scientifically, but for me, it's a really good workout. It kept me in shape for long enough, and I thought I finally wanted to share that with you guys. So I hope you liked it. If you did, leave a thumbs up down below. Leave a comment with questions if you have any for me. I'll try my best to answer them. I'll try my best. If you want to subscribe to my channel, I don't usually talk about fitness, but I talk about men's fashion and men's lifestyle. So if you want some of that, press the subscribe button right down below. Might as well just turn on the notifications so you don't miss any of the videos going up. And I want to thank you for watching my first video in 2018. To many more this year. See you soon. Stay dapper. Bye guys.